is the density. Okay? So density, as simply as, there's no need to solve that one. And the other one, what is the density and ilagay natin in weight. Okay? Okay, you have the volume now. And then you have the, okay. Before doing so, anong density yan? What is density then? You have the formula. Density of substance is equal to specific gravity substance multiplied by density of H2O. What is the density of substance given specific gravity is 0.8. What is the density of water sa SI? Ha? Sa water, you check. Ito ay 9.81 kN meter cube and 62.4 pounds per cubic foot. Sa tubig. Okay, you multiply that by 9.81. What is the answer? What is the answer? 0.8 times 9.81 is what?
7.848.
7.848.
848.
848 kilonewton meter cube. So that is the density of the substance. You answer already the question. Letter B. What is the weight? From the formula, density is weight over volume. So therefore, weight, you just cross multiply. Density times volume.
B.
So weight is, what is the density? 7.84 kN meter cube multiplied by volume of water in which it is already solved, 0.3926 cubic meter. So cancel yung cubic meter. And what is the weight now in kilonewton? Kilonewton. What is the weight in kilonewton? Multiply lang. What is the answer?
3.081.
3.081.
081.
So that answers the weight of the substance. Okay? Okay. The second question,
Mass
letter B.
density.
What is the mass density? O letter B. Mass density is mass over volume. Okay? What is the mass? Huh? You go back here. Your mass is, ano si mass? Mass is weight over
G.
gravitational acceleration. What is your weight? Given na 3.081 kN divided by 9.81 ano? Meter second squared. Meter second squared, this one, you multiply that by 1,000 so that it will become Newton. So Newton is kilogram meter second squared. Cancel ang meter second squared and the mass here will be in kilogram. Okay class, you multiply per 3.081 times 1,000 divided by 9.81. And then the mass now will be in kilogram. 3,081 divided by 9.81.
3,081.
Oh, divided by 9.81. Okay? What is the answer? Huh?
31.70.
What is that?
31.70.
31?
31.70.
7?
70. 70.
70. Right. Okay, class. You have now your mass, 31.7. So you can answer now to the question. What is so therefore, mass density is equal to mass over volume. What is the mass? What is the mass? 3170
3170.
kilogram over volume. What is the volume? 0.39 3926. What is the answer? So mass density now, it already answers question letter B. What is the mass density? You just divide.
8,074.37.
8,000,
0.74.
0,
74.
74.37.
37.
Very good pa. 37 kilogram cubic meter. So this answers the question. Letter A is, what is the density and weight? Answers. And B, give the mass.